here the shape, it's kind of in perspective a little bit, but it's this elliptical shape. And an ellipse has a major and minor axis, so you can kind of put a straight line there, at least showing it to you as it tapers itself off. And then a tangent, two parallel lines going back. So I'll just go back a little distance here and building that elliptical shape. And if you could just stretch this and repeat it, it would give you that section in the back. And I'm just kind of sketching it a couple times till I build the outer edge. And now I have that shape. Okay, the light source is coming from the top, and you can see these lines just like the cone, but you can start off with a straight edge line and just kind of have it wrap around almost like a wireframe coming right around the top of this, and as it gets to the top, let it get farther away, and skip a lot and go right to the other side and just bring that tone around just a little bit so it shows the opposite side of it. The light's coming from this side of it too, the front and the top. So the cast shadow is almost a straight line they have here. And you can see where the tangent is hidden, but you would put that line there. And you can kind of see where it wraps around. So you kind of see that almost directly from the top line there. And then just do the same idea, put another series of lines to find that base tone. And there it is right there. And then you can see where it's light on the front of this, but right up at the top, there's a little bit of a tone just to separate it a little bit from the highlight that goes across that arch. So I'm just going to blend just a little bit, right like that. Okay, and now I'm just going to put some lines in here to emphasize the base tone. Coming down. So far I haven't gone the cross contour, which is other direction. Just kind of getting it laid in here. With the cast shadow, I'm going there's two lines that can dominate it, so I'm just going to put the first one there. Second one. And there's a cross hatch line right there. So now I can go with this form and emphasize the shape of it as it wraps around. See what I come up with here. So now I'm making these curved edges, and I can go back the other way, expanding it so it goes beyond this line, and come in the reflected light, which is closer to the shadow, and then find the overall edge of this. Just keep building that section there. And just go back. The base tone has the dark value, so I'm just going to start another series of lines and let it fade away as it wraps around to the highlight. And do the other way, go right down to the cast shadow. When it gets to the cast shadow, just go from dark and then let it fade to the light. And it has a little on the other side too. See how it's building there. So it's just a matter of trying to blend it in and find those edges. as subtle as it is, just the top part, finding that edge there.